Adrenaline travels through the blood from the adrenal gland to the heart muscle cells. So adrenaline goes to the heart muscle cells, whereby they cause the heart muscle cells to contract more quickly. So the heart muscle cells contract faster. This increase in contraction will cause an increase in blood pressure. So blood pressure increases around the body. This will then increase the supply of both glucose. So glucose increases to the cells, and oxygen will also increase in the cells. This will then increase respiration. So it will increase respiration and then the amount of energy produced in the muscles so you can run faster and further for longer. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The adrenaline is also transported to your blood vessels. So your blood vessels receive adrenaline, and these blood vessels to the muscles are affected, and then so are the blood vessels to the non-vital organs. So your blood vessels to your muscle cells and your non-vital organs, such as your small intestine and your large intestine, they're two examples of non-vital organs. So adrenaline does this to the muscles. The blood vessels will widen. So the blood vessels will widen. This will increase blood flow to the muscles, whereas blood vessels to non-vital organs are going to narrow. So the non-vital organ blood vessels will narrow, restricting blood flow to the non-vital organs. This will maximize blood flow to respiring muscle cells. So this will increase the volume of glucose and oxygen being supplied to your respiring cells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So adrenaline goes to the liver. It is transported to the liver, whereby adrenaline will convert glycogen stored in the liver to glucose. So the glycogen is stored in the glucose, and adrenaline helps convert that. So adrenaline will help break down glycogen into glucose. So it breaks down glycogen into glucose. This will flood the blood with glucose, therefore increasing the volume of glucose to react with oxygen for respiring muscle cells so you can stay and fight or run away from the danger. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. If you made any mistakes, go back and watch the video again.